try.
I can't lift my leg up that high.
Come on.
Come on, hell.
She can lift her leg up. She just don't want
I
to.
can't, these hands too tight. I can't bend them.
Then jump, nigga.
Yeah, jump.
Oh, shit.
See, I got my big ass in here now. How the hell I'm gonna get out?
Not by me. Say hi, Emily.
Hi. Ain't this sexy?
Look at this damn tiny ass seat, and look at her. Look at this little itty bitty kid seat, and look at her.
Look like a bird sitting on some eggs.
What if it was a birthday big though? I run my ass. I run.
Them fucking vultures, shit. Them hoes is big. Hold on. All right, now let's see. Let's try to get. Let's watch her get out. Let's watch her get out. Can she get out?
Can she get out? Can she do it? Can she do it? Can she do it? Can she do it?
She got her foot stuck.
Woo! She got it. Oh wait.
No. Hold on. Come on, Emily. Come on.
That's the position she was in.
Uh huh.
Oh God.